Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to support my channel by clicking subscribe. Our first topic for today is IPCRF means of verification. Yan. So this is actually the sample of anatomy of RPMS portfolio. So the main MOV or means of verification that we should know is the COT tool or rating sheet. So ang other supporting means of verification are DLP or modified TLL, instructional materials, performance tasks or assessment tools, sample or compilation of students' outputs, certificates or minutes and other evidence of participation, class records, report cards, and others. Yan. These are the attachment of our IPCRF that we should know. Of course, the classroom observation tool, the DLP, instructional materials, performance tasks or assessment tools, sample or compilation of student outputs, certificates, minutes, and other evidence of participation, class records, or report cards. Okay, so in objectives 1, 2, and 3, they having the same COT, rating sheet, DLP, instructional materials, and performance tasks. So in objective number 4, we have COT rating sheet and DLP. In objective number 5, we have COT. Number 6, we same COT, DLP, and instructional materials, same in objective number 7. Objective number 8, we should attach certificates or minutes and other evidence of participation. Objective number 9, we have COT, rating sheet, DLP instructional material. Objective number 10, COT and DLP, and performance tasks or assessment tools. In objective number 11, we have DLP, performance tasks or assessment tool, sample of compilation of student outputs, and also class records or report cards. In objective number 12, we have sample of compilation of student outputs, certificates or minutes and other evidence of participation, class records or report cards. Objective number 13, we have certificates or minutes and other evidence of participation. Yan. In objectives number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10, we should attach the main MOV, which is the COT rating sheet. For supporting MOV, DLP and DLL, or MOV documents, and with a total number of 8 documents. For objectives number 8, 11, 12, and 13, you should attach 4 MOV with 4 documents each objective with a total of 24 documents overall. Okay, so ideally speaking, so we have to request a classroom observation to the rater every quarter. And we should provide each MOV also in every quarter. Okay. So in indicator number 1, so objective is applies knowledge of content within and across curriculum teaching area. So the first one is the COT rating sheet about knowledge of content within and across curriculum teaching areas. Next, lesson plans or DLL, instructional materials, performance tasks or test materials, and others. So in indicator number 2, uses a range of teaching strategies that enhance learner achievement in literacy and numeracy. Should provide COT rating sheet that enhance learner achievement in literacy and numeracy skills. Next, lesson plans or DLL, instructional materials, performance tasks or test materials. In indicator number 3, we have applies a range of teaching strategies to develop critical and creative thinking as well as other higher order thinking skills. So you should provide COT rating sheet about teaching strategies to develop critical and creative thinking as well as other higher order thinking skills. Lesson plan or DLL, instructional materials, performance tasks or test materials, result of assessment used in teaching. In indicator number 4, manages classroom structure to engage learners individually or in groups in meaningful exploration, discovery, and hands-on activities within a range of physical learning environment. So we have COT rating sheet about managing classroom structure that engages learners in various activities, lesson plan or DLL, and others. In indicator number 5, manages learner behavior constructively by applying positive and non-violent discipline to ensure learning focused environments. So, classroom observation rating sheet, inter-observer agreement form about teacher management of learner behavior using the following strategies. The first one is providing motivation. Second, praising the learners or giving feedback. Next, setting house rules and guidelines. Next, ensuring learners about active participation. Next, allowing learners active participation, giving equal opportunities to learners, encouraging learners to ask questions and others. Indicator number 6 uses differentiated, developmentally appropriate learning experiences to address learners' gender, needs, strengths, and interests, and also their experiences. In COT rating sheet, about using differentiated, developmentally appropriate learning experiences. Next, lesson plans or DLL, instructional materials, and others. Indicator number 7, plans, manages, and implements developmentally sequenced teaching and learning processes to meet curriculum requirements and varied teaching contexts. COT, rating sheet, using developmentally sequenced teaching and learning process. Lesson plan or DLL, instructional materials, and others. For objective number 8, KRA3, example, personal notes of learning action cell, focus group discussion session or seminars with proof of attendance. Second, minutes of luck or FGD sessions on use of teacher and learning feedback to enrich teaching practice with proof of attendance. Number 8, indicator number 8, selects, develops, organizes, and uses appropriate teaching and learning resources, including ICT, to address learning goals. So the first one is COT rating sheet, using appropriate teaching and learning resources, including ICT. Examples, first one is activity sheets, task sheets or worksheets, PowerPoint presentations, video clips, module, SIMs or strategic intervention materials, and others. Next is the lesson plan and others. In indicator number 7, designs, selects, organizes, and uses diagnostic, formative, and summative assessment strategy consistent with curriculum requirements. First one is COT rating sheets, using diagnostic, formative, and summative assessment strategies, lesson plan, develop diagnostic tests with TOS or Table of Specifications reviewed by superior, with sample accomplished questionnaire and answer sheet. Next, develop summative tests with TOS reviewed by superior, with sample accomplished questionnaire and answer sheets. Develop performance with rubrics reviewed by superior, with sample accomplished rubrics. In objective number 11, KRA number 4, example, compilation of learners' written work with summary of results and with signature of parents from first quarter. Next, summative assessment tool with TOS and frequency of errors with identified least mastered skills from second quarter. Grading sheet from third quarter. Lesson plan showing index of summary from fourth quarter. In objective number 12, 3 samples of corrected test papers of the same 3 learners in the same learning area with parent signature and date of receipt from first quarter. Minutes of PTA meetings from first to fourth quarter with proof of parents, guardians attendance. Report cards with parents or guardians signature from first quarter supported by minutes of meeting. Anecdotal record showing entries per quarter. Objective number 13, examples, certificate of participation in INSET or in a seminar, certificate of training on critical content, certificate of speakership on journalism, and certificate of coordinatorship in English. Okay, our sources is DepEd, BHROD, PPST, RPMS Learning Resource Package. So that would be all. Thank you. Before you leave, please don't forget to click subscribe. That's all for today. See you all next time. Bye.